Zoe.
Acropolis.
Hello everyone. Tomorrow's a flight and today we gotta do and maximize all the things we could do to explore Athens, and we are here at the Acropolis area, the Parthenon, and it's such a beautiful architecture here. You can see those were made of marbles. So when we were walking the slopes to here, look at this marble. See, it's very slippery. See how expensive that is. Hey. These kids earned from posting mommy photos. Oh, ice cream shop. Wow.
Nice.
Oh my God. How did you do that? It's so tight.
Ang taxi, buti umalis. Hindi, tamaan siya.
Mahal ng bahay dito.
Ah, dito?
Mahal na lugar na bahay dito.
Sentro kasi.
Tapos,